Hello, my name is Keith Effert with NIDEK. Today I'm going to provide a brief demonstration of the NIDEK CEM-530 Specular Microscope. Now that we've placed the patient's chin in the chin rest and have proper alignment, we're going to start off by capturing the right eye. I'm going to go into my fixation and I'm going to select the area that I would like to capture the endothelium. So we're going to do one central and then two paracentral. I'm going to select OK. We're going to move in the specular microscope towards the patient. Green lines, it will automatically start pulling the device in automatically. So we've taken the center. Pink here shows us the next area of capture. And at the end, it will tell us the image capture at the selected fixation point has been completed. Pull the specular microscope back from the patient, select OK, and move over to the opposite eye. Then move the CEM-530 towards the patient. It's going to automatically align. The green lines means that you're too far from the patient. The purple lines above means that you're too close to the patient. Once you see everything in yellow, that is considered the sweet spot where it will capture automatically. So everything has been captured and is complete. We're going to click OK, and now we're going to go into our results.